Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to extract a subtable from a table using filter function in MS Excel. Friends, here I have a table. It has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 columns and 22 minus 6 that is 17. 17 rows including these blank rows. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 17 rows. Now, what I am going to do is I am going to prepare a small table which will have some of these headings, not all of them, and some of these names, not all of them. Okay, so how will I do it? To be more precise, I want names of players, innings, runs, not outs, and strike rate. And from players list also, say I want Virat, David, Brian, and Dhoni. So, in order to prepare a table, subtable somewhere here, first of all, we write some numbers here. So, for example, start with any blank column here or here or here, whatever you feel like, and from any row. So I start from here, so I write 1 here and then pull it down sufficiently below and then make it as a series so that okay, some numbers are there. And row wise also I write some numbers. Say I write here, say I write once again 1, and then I pull it to some extent and fill the series. Actually, I want to write in the row. I want to write as many numbers as there are columns. It may be more also. So here there are 8 columns. I have written 10 of them. And here also I should write in the column as many numbers as there are columns rows here. Now there are, as you have seen, 17 rows here, including this blank row. So, but I have written 22. It should be just more than whatever number of column or row is there. Okay. Now select the position where I want to put the table. Suppose I want to put it here in the start with K9. So here I will put the table. Okay, in this area. So to do this, I'll put a equal sign here. See here there is equal sign, and then I'll write filter FILT and then press tab key. That will take me here, and then select the entire table. Select the entire table from top to bottom. Okay, and then put a comma here. Okay, so we have selected the table and put a comma here, and now which columns you want to write? We want to write say names, runs, names, innings, runs, not out, strike rate. So we select from these numbers. Now here I have to be precise. There are 8 rows here in the given table, so I choose 8 up to 8 here, and then I put a equal sign, and then I put number 1. Okay, so I put number 1 here. Okay, and put entire thing within brackets. So this entire thing within bracket I put. So within round bracket. So here also I put a round bracket. Okay, so I am actually here, and then I put a plus sign, and maybe I can copy from this round bracket up to this plus sign. Control C I press, so I copied it. Okay, now click in the formula bar only, don't click anywhere else. Now I press Control V so that this is duplicated. Now which one is, so one gives me name, then I want innings. Innings is at 3, so replace this one by 3. Then again I press Control V and now I want runs, so that is number 4, and then again control V. Then I want not outs. Not out is at 6, 6, 7, 8. Okay, 6. So I make it 6 here. And strike rate also, if you want, then I can put another V, control V, and then this is 8. Last one also, if you want, then control V, and then remove this plus sign and put a round bracket. So that will print the all the rows from here. But columns will be this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 columns. Names, runs, names, innings, runs, not out, strike rate. Okay. But I want not all the names here. I want only few names. So again, I have to put a filter. Click your mouse just after this equal sign and before this filter command. So and write filter once again, FILT, and press tab key. So filter will be there, and come to the end of this formula and put a comma. Now this time we select, there are how many? 22 minus 6 is 16, plus 1 is 17. So there are 22 minus 5 is 17. So I choose from these numbers 17 of them. Okay. So I have chosen 17 of them and put equal to 1. So that will give me the this heading row. And again we can put it inside round bracket. So this has to be inside round bracket, and then there should be a plus sign. So and then again I will copy this one, control C. So I will copy this one and let us put control V here. So then if you want this blank row also, then put number 2. Then again control V here. If you want, say now next I want this Virat's name. So this is which row you have to count in this box. So 1, 2, 3, 4, fifth name is Virat. So I'll put 5 here. I'll put 5 here. Then again control V. Okay. So then I want say fifth is Virat. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 is David. So I put 10. Then again control V. And then 10 is David, and then 11, 12, 13, Richard I put 14 maybe. So I put 14 here. Okay, for the time being that's enough, but okay, if you want one more, then I can put for 14 is Richard, then 15, 16 maybe. So Jaiswal 16, I put 16. I remove now this plus sign and then put a round bracket here, and now simply press enter. Now after pressing enter, this blank line will be something different here. Let's see what happens. So you see, so this strike rate is not visible. Strike rate is, yeah. So this subtable has been constructed, and okay. So this blank line has also come out here nicely. Okay, and the name, innings, not out, strike rates, and Virat, David, Richard, Jaiswal. That's what we wanted. And you see, for example, Richard is innings is 364. That's 364. And these 00s are coming because of formatting and all. If you format this cell nicely, then all these things will go. For example, if you want, you can just go to press this home button, and I think that is good enough for this. And so this way this is constructed. Now this subtable actually depends on this table. You cannot delete any item from here, and if you modify anything here, it will be automatically modified here. Okay, if you just keep it as it is. But if you want that no, this subtable should not be depending on this, you are going to delete this table. Then you can do one thing, you can select this entire subtable, press Ctrl C, and then here itself right click your button and these paged values if you do. So now this formula is gone, now you see there is no formula now, and press escape button, then this is an independent table. Now you can safely delete, in fact it control minus, so this column will be completely deleted. If you want to delete these numbers also, just select control minus, this is gone. And if you want that this entire table is to be deleted, so that also you can select and press delete, gone. And then if you want this table to be shifted there, so you can put control X and put it somewhere here maybe, and control V, so you are here. So you see, starting from a larger table, how we have constructed a smaller table, and we using these rows and some of the rows and some of the columns. Okay, so that's all in this video. Thanks for watching.